In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Wrike. Whether you're a seasoned Wrike user or just starting out, being able to quickly find what you need in your workspace is essential. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. Start by searching for Wrike and navigate to the official website. Once you're on the Wrike homepage, you'll see the options to either log in or sign up for a free trial. Go ahead and click on Log In if you already have an account. For those who are new, selecting Try Wrike for free will get you on your way. Now that you're logged into your Wrike workspace, take a moment to orient yourself. At the top of the page, you'll notice the all-important search bar. This is your central tool for finding any task, project, or team member in Wrike. To begin a search, click into the search bar and simply type the name of the task, project, or the person you're looking for. You can also use specific keywords if you're unsure of the exact name. This can be particularly useful if you remember only part of a task description or need to find all items related to a specific context. In instances where you have the ID number of the item, you can enter that directly into the search bar. Wrike assigns unique ID numbers to each task and project, and using this can make your search more efficient. As you type, Wrike will help you by displaying matching results dynamically, updating the list with each keystroke. This real-time feedback is incredibly helpful for narrowing down your options swiftly. Sometimes your initial search might not return the exact item you need. In these instances, don't worry. Wrike provides an option to click Show More, which expands the results list and allows you to view additional matches. This feature is especially helpful when dealing with large projects that may have multiple subtasks, or if you're in a complex workspace with numerous collaborators. Remember, the search functionality in Wrike is designed to make your workflow smoother and save you precious time. With these search tips, you can easily locate tasks and projects, ensuring you're always organized and on top of your work priorities. Explore these options and tweak your search terms as needed to find precisely what you need at any given moment. By mastering these features, you take control of your workspace and optimize your productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy searching in Wrike.